HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art.
Hi kids, today we're going to draw and paint some of your favourite toys. Do you have a favourite toy? Can you guess what this is? That's right, it's a ball. All you have to do is draw a big circle shape and then decorate it with any pattern you like. We're doing some curvy stripes. The curves show the round shape of the ball. Red for the first stripe. What colour shall we do for the second one? Yellow! What a wonderful idea! That stands out really well next to the red. Now what kind of games can you play with a ball? Let me see. Catch, football, netball, rugby, but that's a different shaped ball. Maybe even ping pong. What's your favourite ball game? Pretty pink stripe, lovely. Next we're going for green. We like variety. It could even be a ball hanging from a Christmas tree. Look at it sparkle. And we are done! Brilliant! Well done! Next, we're going to learn how to draw one of your all-time favourite toys. Now, can you guess what it is from the outline? Just copy our shape. You can pause the video if you need to. That's right, it's a duck. Now, where might you play with a toy duck? In the bath, perhaps? Maybe it's one of those ducks that lights up when it hits the water. Maybe it's one of those ducks that squirts water at you. Gorgeous yellow with a pink wing. What colour would you like to paint your duck? Let's do a turquoise blue eye. And finally, the beak is going to be gold. Lovely. Quack, quack. Right, what's next? Can you guess what this is? I'll give you 3 guesses. A pile of books? No. A light? No, that's not a toy. That's right, it's stacking rings. Did you ever play with these when you were a baby? They're brilliant. You get a big ring, a medium ring, a small ring, even smaller, and you have to stack them in the right order. They're usually lovely rainbow colours. We're going to do ours nice and bright too. So we've got turquoise blue, followed by bright pink, followed by even brighter green. So you just do lots of long oval shapes with a triangle on top. Each one is smaller than the one underneath it. Yellow next. So that triangle at the top is the top of the stick that we stack our rings on. That's going to be purple. Almost there. Done! Excellent stacking rings. Next, I'm going to see if you can guess what this is. A circle, a rectangle, another circle with a smaller circle inside. Rectangle. A circle there, a semicircle there, another rectangle and another. What could it be? That's right! It's a train! Do you have a toy train? Or maybe a train set? I love those ones that link onto each other. Even the ones that go on the wooden train tracks and you can fill the whole floor with train tracks. This is gorgeous red and green. Beautiful. What are your favourite colours? What colour is your train? We're going to use pink for the front. And purple! It's going to be our wheels. Round and round and round, just the big part, leaving the middle part empty. The end is going to be purple too, and a yellow window. And the back side. And the inner wheels too. And there you have it, a very nice, colourful train. Excellent! Last but not least, we are going to draw my all-time favourite. Da-da-da! It's a rocking horse! That's right! Now if you find it a little bit tricky to do the outline, then you can pause the video as you go along and just do one bit at a time. Right, ready to paint? Starting with a gorgeous, natural, peachy, rosy colour, we're going to paint the main body of our horsey. Shall we give it a name? What do you think it should be called? Harry the horse? How about Henrietta the horse? What do you think? We're going to use brown for our wooden bottom part. That's the rocker that it is set upon. And the tail is going to be brown too, and the mane. So that's our horse's hair. Now we're going for purple. We're going to do a purple saddle. Lovely. What colour shall we do the eye? Blue. What a great idea. And yellow at the bottom. There you go. It's a beautiful rocking horse. Well done. Bye. Hey kids, would you like to draw and paint a baby stroller? Oh, that would be so cute. Okay, we are doing the bottom part and we've got 2 wheels, so that's a big circle, a smaller one inside it, an even smaller one in the middle, and then the spokes. 2 of those. So we're doing the same again. Perfect, well done. Then we're going to do the hood with a little bit of a frill on the edge. Some detail and the handle and a heart. How about the baby's hands reaching out for a hug? Blackening up the border. It really makes our colour stand out once we paint it. Right, ready to paint? Let's go for pale pink for the baby's hands. Kind of peachy pink. Oh, okay, green for the frills. Let's do every other segment green and pink in between. Wow, that is vibrant, don't you think? You can do yours any colour you like, of course. I'm going for blue next for the rim of the pram. And some brown for the handle. How about a dark brown on the end? Brilliant. And yellow for the main part, painting around my love heart. I love the colours yellow and blue next to each other. They look really cool. That's it. Okay, red for my love heart, of course. But you can be as creative as you like. Going for dark brown for the tyres. And yellow in the middle. How about purple in between every other spoke? And let's go for green next to the purple. That is cool and it matches the hood. Yes, same again on the other wheel, so dark brown on the outside. Yellow in the middle, and then purple and green alternating. Wow, that looks so cool. Baby stroller, where are you? Here I am, green, purple too. Yay! That looks amazing! Well done, you did a great job. Hey kids! Oh, look at this cute baby! Would you like to learn how to draw and paint it? You would? Brilliant! Start by drawing a circle for the face and 2 circles for the eyes. And the dummy. And then we're going to do a cute little bow on the head. Aww. Let's do it wrapped up in a lovely blanket. Some eyelashes. Now, some accessories. Every babe's got to have their accessories, you know. We got the milk bottle with a measuring line on it. And a dummy, a spare one. Got to have a spare dummy. A onesie. Oh, with a heart. Don't forget the poppers. And we've got a baby rattle. To match the onesie, of course, some more hearts. Fantastic! Let's just darken up the borders. Our usual trick, so that when we paint it nice bright colours, they stand out super well. Almost done. Right, ready to paint. Let's go for a yellow for our milk bottle. Lovely. And some pink. Perfect. Let's go for purple for the handle of the dummy, then pink, and then some yellow to match the milk bottle. Lovely peachy colour for our baby. Oh, coochie, so cute. Carefully paint around the eyes and the dummy. The nose. Let's do the ears too. Okay, going for yellow for the middle of our bow and purple. Lovely. And some pink. Pink dummy. I think we've got a baby girl here. Ooh, purple in the middle. Some more purple. And a lovely pink wrap. Wow, she looks super cute, don't you think? Of course, you can choose any colours you like. Yellow for the onesie going around the heart. Now let's think about it. What colour should we do the heart? Any idea? Pink to match the neckline. Yellow rattle too. So you see we've got a theme going on here. Lots of yellow and pink and purple. You can use the same idea and match up all your accessories with the baby. Aww, and you can choose. You want to do a boy? You want to do a girl? The choice is yours. I had so much fun drawing and painting this baby and accessories. Hey kids, guess what? We're going to draw a dinosaur today. That's right. Ooh, let's start with the eyes. 2 small circles, 2 little arch eyebrows, a gorgeous bobbly hat. Now for the main body. And the legs and the neck. Feet, tummy. There. Bit of detail. That's right. Good job. And some stripes on the hat. Rosy cheeks, smiley mouth, nostrils. And you can't have a party without balloons, because I think it's this dino's birthday today. Fantastic! There! A little bit of flowery detail. Wow, what would you like to put on your dinosaur? Maybe some hearts, maybe some stars. Right, let's paint. Gold first, for the bubble on our hat. And now we're going to do the stripes, multicoloured of course. I do love his party hat. Red tongue. Turquoise for the last stripe. Now let's go for some pink rosy cheeks. And flowers. There. Green next for the main body. Do you know much about dinosaurs? Can you think of any dinosaur names? How about T-Rex? How about Stegosaurus? Brachiosaurus? Can you think of any others? Pterodactyl? There were flying dinosaurs, swimming dinosaurs, walking dinosaurs, meat-eating dinosaurs, leaf-eating dinosaurs, just so many different types. There. Gold tummy. And brown toes. We'll do yellow for the centre of our flowers. Right, time to colour our balloons, starting with red. Ooh, lovely. And yellow. What colour shall we do our third balloon? How about Purple! What a great colour. And done! And turquoise just for the finishing touches. Voila! You have one beautiful, party-tastic baby dinosaur. Ah.